Exercise 7.2. Question number 1 we will solve. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. First question. Also find profit percentage or loss percentage in each case. So here he has given a question. What is the profit or loss we need to find out. And also we need to find the percentage of a profit and a percentage of a loss. Here we see the question what he has given is we need to find a profit or loss and percentage of profit and a percentage of a loss. Let's see how do we found out. Let's see here in this first question he has asked us to find a profit or loss or percentage of a profit or a percentage of a loss. Now we will see this first question. Gardening shares brought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. So this one we will see. So now we will write it down. Solution. Cost price of a gardening share is rupees 250. Selling price of a gardening share is rupees 350. Since selling price, SP means selling price, is greater than cost price. See here, this is selling price, this is cost price. So selling price is greater than cost price. So we can write the profit. Therefore, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is equal to 350 is a selling price, 250 is a cost price. When we minus it, we will get 75. Now we need to find a percentage. Profit percentage. Now profit percentage. How to find a profit percentage? We already know that is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. So we can calculate that is equal to. Now let's see what is the profit we got. We got a profit as 75 rupees is a profit. 75. Cost price is, what is the cost price? Cost price is 250. Just write 250 into 100. Here if you look at, we need to cancel 10 goes, 25 ones are 25, 3s are 3 into 10 is 30. That is equal to 30 percentage. So therefore profit is equal to 75%. Therefore profit is equal to is equal to rupees 75 and percentage of profit is equal to 30%. Now second one, B part, that is a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at 13,500. Let's solve this one. Now B part, a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold it at rupees 13,500 is a given. So let's write it down what is given for us. Okay. Solution. Cost of a refrigerator is equal to rupees 12,000 and the selling price, we sold it at rupees 13,500. So we sold it at rupees 13. Selling price of a refrigerator is 13,500. Here if you look at, so we bought it at 12,000 and we sold it at 13,000. So selling price is greater than cost price. So since we observed that here selling price is greater than cost price, therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is equal to 13,500 minus rupees 12,000. So we get rupees 1,500. So this is the profit. Now we see we got a profit, that is 1,500. Now calculate a profit percentage. How do we calculate percentage? Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. That is equal to, profit is 1,500 rupees. So cost price is 1,200 rupees. Sorry, that's 12,000. into 100. Just do calculation. Okay, these two zeros, go, this one zero, this one zero gone. So we get the answer as, when we take out 6 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 5 divided 50, because here 150, no? So that is equal to 50 divided by 4, we get 12 point. When we do calculation, we get 12.5%. How do we calculate that? Let's calculate here by division method. So 54, 4 ones are 4, 1, 4 twos are 8, minus is 2. Point we take, because there is no day, we'll take one more 0 here, 20. So here 4 5s are, we get 20, that is equal to 0 is the answer. So we get 12.5 as we have taken is a percentage. Therefore the profit percentage is equal to 12.5, and profit is equal to, what is the profit that we have got? 1500 rupees, 1500. So we got profit and profit percentage. So let's see C1. A cupboard brought for rupees 2500 and sold it at rupees 3000. C part. A cupboard bought for rupees 2500 and sold it for 3000 rupees. Now let's write the solution. Cost price of a cupboard is 2500 rupees. Selling price of a cupboard is 3000 rupees. Since here we see selling price is greater than, since here selling price is greater than cost price, therefore the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is equal to 2500 minus 3000. So therefore profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to rupees 300 minus rupees 2500. So we get rupees 500. So therefore profit is equal to 500 rupees. Now we need to calculate percentage of our profit. So we know that how to calculate. Therefore profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. That is equal to, what we got, profit is 500 divided by cost price is what, 2500 into 100. So this two zeros, this two zeros gets cancelled. 25 ones are 25 twos of, and 0 as it is 0. So that is equal to 20 percentage is the what we got, right? Now therefore finally we get a profit is rupees 500 and profit percentage is 20 percentage. That's all the C problem. Now D part. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at 150 rupees. Here the cost price of a skirt. Here cost price of a skirt is rupees 250. Selling price of a skirt is rupees 150. Here we observe that, so cost price is greater than selling price. That means it is sold under loss. So since cost price is greater than selling price, so we have a loss here. Therefore we need to find a loss. Therefore loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, that is equal to, so cost price is 250 minus selling price is 150. So what we get, loss 100 rupees. Loss is equal to 100 rupees. So now we will find out loss percentage. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. That is equal to loss is 100, cost price is 250 into 100. So 1010 case 25 ones are 25, 4 into 10 is equal to 40%. We have found out. Therefore loss is equal to rupees 100 and percentage of loss is equal to, or loss percentage we can say 40%. Now question number 2. Convert each part of a ratio to percentage. So we need to convert each part of the ratio. Here there is a ratio given, we need to convert to percentage. Question number 2. Convert each of the following ratios to percentage. So they have given a ratios 3:1, 2:3:5, 1:4, 1:2:5. So these are the ratios that they have given. So we need to convert this into percentage. How do we convert? Let's see it. Let's take 3:1. So now what we should do? We should add first 3 plus 1. How? Total part. So is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So the total is 4 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. They have given ratio. So how to write this? Therefore fraction part of this is 3 divided by 4. So we have written total is 4. So we need to write 3 divided by 4 is to 1 divided by 4, because we know what is the total, right? Now we have written 3 divided by 4 is to 1 divided by 4. Now percentage part. So anything, if you want to get a percentage, you need to multiply by 100%. So that is, we need to multiply both sides. That is 3 divided by 4 into 100 is to 1 divided by 4 into 100. You multiply by 100. Now 4 ones are 425 is a 100. 425 is a 100. 4 ones are 425 is a 100. Now 3 into 25 is 75. 1 into 25 is 25%. So that is the answer. Now second one. So they have given 2:3:5. So here what we say is, we need to find out a total part. What is the total part? Is 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to is 10. 10 is the total part. Now how to write a fraction part? Now we have written a fraction part here. Therefore fraction part is equal to 2 divided by 10, 3 divided by 10, 5 divided by 10. Used to the ratio we need to write here, because here the ratio is given. So total part we have found out. Now we will do percentage part. Now percentage part of percentage. So now 2 by 10 into 100 is to 3 by 10 into 100 is to 5 by 10 into 100. Now 10 ones are 10 tens are 10 ones are 10 tens are 10 ones are 10 tens are. Now we can write it as 2 tens are 20, percentage is to 3 tens are 30, percentage is to 5 tens are 50%. So that is equal to 20%, 30% and 50%. So now the fourth one, 1:4. So total part is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So we need to add both to find out the total part. Therefore fraction part, after finding the total part, what we need to write? Fraction part is equal to, here 1:4 it is there, 1 divided by 5 and 4 divided by 5. How did we get 5? We added this. This is total. Okay. Now percentage part is equal to, so anything we wanted to find a percentage, we will multiply by 100. 1 by 5 into 100, 4 by 5 into 100. Used to, right? 5 ones are 5 20s are 100, 5 ones are 5 20s are 100. So here it is 1, 20 ones are 20, 4 into 20 is 80, 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0. So this is the answer. Now D1, let's do D1. So 1:2:5. So let's find out total part. Total part is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. So total part is 8. Now we will find out the fraction part. Now therefore fraction part. So fraction part, How to find out? So here 1 is to 2 is to 5 they have given. So here total they have given. Just we need to write the fraction. So 1 divided by 8 is to 2 divided by 8 is to 5 divided by 8. Okay. Now let's write a percentage part. Now percentage part. So anything we wanted to find a percentage means we'll multiply by 100. Similarly, here fraction part is there. To this we need to multiply 100. 1 divided by 8 into 100. 2 divided by 8 into 100 is to 5 divided by 8 into 100. This is used to. This what we have put 2 dots is called as used to. That is a ratio. Now 8 on the 8, 12.5 is. Similarly 8 on the 8, 12.5 is. 8 on the 8, 12.5 is. We can use division method to find out this. You will get the answer. Here if you look at 100 divided by 8, 8 on the 8 minus 10 minus 8 is 2. Again bring down 0. 8 to the 16. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here 4 is smaller than 8. So we take 1 dot. We can bring down 0. So 8 5 is a 40. So answer is 12.5. So I have taken 12.5, 12.5, 12. 8 on the 8, 12.5 is a 100. 8 on the 8, 12.5 is a 100. 8 on the 8, 12.5 is a 100. Now multiply this. 1 into 12.5 is 12.5 percentage is to 2 into 12.5 is 25 percentage. 5 is to 12.5 is 62.5 percentage. 5 5 is a 25. 2 carrier 5 2 is a 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 carrier 5 on the 5 1 is 6. So this is the answer. This completes the question number 2. In next coming video we will solve question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.